In today's video, we will try to learn how to create stock category. For this, we will go with create, then stock category. Write the stock category name like ladies garments. Then enter accept yes. Then gents garments. Accept enter press enter for yes. Like kids garments. Enter accept yes. So now we will try to learn how to see this what we just created. For this, press escape key to go gateway of Tally. Now we will go display mode reports. Then we will go inventory books. Then we will go stock category summary. Now we can see what we just created. Thanks for watching.